Some agents use lead-generating services and technology to help them collect and follow up with leads. Guests can enter their information into a tablet that sends the details straight to your customer relationship management system. Make it a habit to add all open house attendees to your database. Using technology in this way not only helps you keep business details organized, but it also makes you appear tech-savvy and up-to-date on the latest trends. Always use some sort of system to keep track of your leads and follow up. Even a simple spreadsheet can help you track the contacts you collect and how you follow up with them. Always ask how they learned about the open house so you can measure the success of your marketing. Tracking leads and follow-up can tell you which marketing tactics are working and help you save time and money on marketing.